Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up with making of this beautiful double color embossed flower make used for the designing of kurtis or like the tassels on the saree edging or for the dupattas. So you can try this for the home decor. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी वर्जन में भी देख सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी अवेलेबल है। क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशन चैनल को और देखते रहे लेटेस्ट फैशन और ट्रेंडी वीडियो। बिगिन आई बी यूजिंग द मटेरियल्स ऑफ वुलन yellow and red color and the medium size stitching needle and a pen or pencil. I've inserted the wool in the needle one side and another side left like that only. Now I'll wind on this pen of around 10 rounds. This is to give the volume to the flower which we are making. Now the another side which is having the needle, I'll insert underneath like this and give couple of knots to secure. Now I'll remove the pen. You can see this is how it looks. Now I'll make loops all around this ring. It's just inserting the needle to another side, pulling it from the loop on this top like this. I'll make the complete loops on this ring or the winded thread. Little by little. I'm almost done with the making of loops. Now I'll give the tight knot here at the end. This is how it looks. Now I'll be using red color, inserting the needle, and I'll give the knot here to secure. Again I'll make the loop, inserting at this end like this, pulling it to another side. So 2 rounds I made here. Now I'd be inserting the pearl. So after every 2 rounds of the loop, I'll insert the pearl. This is how I'll finish the complete circle. I'm almost done. To the end, I'll give the tight knot to secure, and this is how it looks. Try this type of beautiful blouse for the designing on the saris or the dupattas etching, or for designing on the kurti. Just place it and give the couple of stitches, or also you can try for the home decor projects. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. Until then, see you.